everyone, we are at the Lasit Ghat in Fancy Bazaar, where the Surya Kiran Aerobatics team is performing aerial maneuvers in the Guwahati sky. It is the Surya Kiran Aerobatics team is one of the only 9 aerobatics teams, aircraft formation teams in the world. This is the scenes at the Lasit Ghat as a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. It has been organized. We'll try to get a better view. These are the scenes at Lasit Ghat. You can see the number of people that have found their way here. These are the number of people that have found their way here. It's bustling with different people from different parts of Guwahati who have come to enjoy the air show. There it is. It is an environment of joy and excitement. Guwahatians have been bracing for this for a while, and we have to understand this is the 52nd Squadron of the Indian Air Force. They are also called IAF ambassadors. The Surya Kiran Aerobatics team. It is the Surya Kiran Aerobatics team consists of 9 Hawk Mk-132 aircrafts. Look at that daring aerial maneuver that this pilot in the advanced trainer jet just performed. It's an advanced trainer jet propelled single engine aircraft. There are a total of 9 such aircrafts in this team. We'll wait for the aircrafts to come back, swooshing the night skies, swishing the Guwahati skies and reaching here. You can see the number of people that have come. People have come from all across Guwahati. It's a crowd. Hi, sorry media. Sorry media. See, there's so many people. So it's the Surya Kiran Aerobatics team, or the IAF ambassadors, and they are the 52nd Squadron of the Indian Air Force. And it is one of the only 9 aircraft aerobatic teams in the whole world. It is performing daring maneuvers. It's gliding up the sky. It's falling down inverted, and it has been performing these aerial maneuvers today since 10 a.m. It is being celebrated as part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, and this is the time people are. Whoa! Can you see that? Oh my God! These advanced trainer jet, the pilots are having quite some fun as Guwahatians brace themselves for their next move. Guwahatians brace themselves for the next move as the pilots of these advanced trainer jets perform these daring aerial maneuvers in the sky. People are waiting with expecting eyes, and they're expecting more and more daring maneuvers by these very trained Indian Air Force pilots. We are at the Lasit Ghat and this is where this is happening. There's so many people out here. They have made it here early in the morning today to catch these 9 advanced trainer, single engine, jet propelled aircrafts. They're called Hawk MK132 and they're being produced by HAL, Hindustan. Hey! Every time you hear a whoosh in the air, Guwahatians who have all found their way here, look at the crowd. They hold their breaths to witness the next stunt, the next maneuver, aerial maneuver that is going to be performed. There's actually more people inside. That is the
Please lift your hand up to your right.
There's even more people here. You can check that out. Wow. There's even more people out here as these trainer advanced jet propelled aircrafts perform aerial maneuvers. We'll try to get to the front.
Right. The formation is in an arrowhead of 5 aircraft, comprising aircraft 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7.
See the number of people here. There are more people outside. They've all made it here early in the morning at 10 a.m. to watch these daring aerial maneuvers performed by the Air Force's 52nd Squadron.
Wing Commander Prahari has already made an entrance from the left of the aircraft. Now join to the right. Wing Commander Prahari is set to be on the right to the aircraft. And they are pulling up to the sky.
Hawk MK132 aircrafts,
That Wing Commander Prahari is centered on the south,
which are advanced trainer, single engine jet propelled advanced trainer aircrafts.
to have his family amongst the enemy today.
All safety measures are also being taken. You can see lifeguards are being deployed in the river Brahmaputra to prevent any adverse situations.
That was happy order and sorry for you, and with that please lift your gaze to your right again and coming soon towards you will be Surya 1, 4 and 7 for a double correction.
Again, the Guwahatians here hold their breath as the pilots perform maneuvers in the sky, and they're waiting in excitement for the 9 Hawk MK132 aircrafts to be visible in the sky performing daring maneuvers. Their daredevilry is being highly appreciated. People gasp for breath every time they're expecting the 9 aircrafts to show up in the sky performing daredevil acts. performing drops from the sky. We just saw them performing various patterns in the sky. That pilot just performed an inverted drop. They're diving into the air, making daredevil formations and different aerobatic moves in the sky. Wow. He just rolled in the sky, this pilot, in the Hawk MK-132.
So ladies and gentlemen, please look to your right as soon coming forward maneuver on number 6, 8 and 9.
You can see people with expecting eyes just watching the sky. There they are.
So the next maneuver that we have for you is again to your right. Please request the audience to look to their right.
If my apologies if the camera is a real shaky, I would very humbly like to apologize to some persons who are some persons who have issues with the fact that my phone is shaky currently while I'm trying to shoot. But that is because the frame is currently on very high zoom. I have zoomed it to the maximum, and even if I make a little jerk, the frame seems like it's jerking a lot, but it's actually a very zoomed it's a very zoomed in frame. So apologies, and also there are a lot of people here as I am trying to maneuver through the crowd and to get this live for you, to get the perfect shots for you. So I would really humbly apologize to those on the comments who are having an issue with the phone being jerky, the live being, with there being a lot of jerks on the live. But you have to understand that this frame is highly zoomed in. So even if I make little movements or again, people are waiting with expecting with excitement in their eyes. They are expecting some daredevil to be performed in the Guwahati sky. We are at Fancy Bazaar Ghat, and this is being organized as a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav in Fancy Bazaar Ghat. All security arrangements are also being made. These are the scenes at Lasit Ghat. You can see the number of people that have come here, and there are a lot more people outside this tented area. There are even more people outside. So the other people in the comment who's asking who is the cameraman and such a poor job, the cameraman is me, and I'm also trying to brief you everything along with bringing the shots on on a Facebook Live. So I'm having to highly zoom in, and because of which the camera is jerky, but I'm still trying to hold the frame, and I'm also trying to brief you about what is ongoing here and what is being planned here for the day, and everything, all the information about this particular event and venue that's happening right now. So apologies if there's a bit of jerk, because the camera is highly zoomed in.
The Surya brave hearts coming in.
We are again bracing ourselves, gasping for breath, and watching expectantly over the sky, around the sky, waiting. There they are.
और आपकी दाहिनी ओर से रिकॉर्ड 1 2 3 4 7 एंट्री करिए एक फॉर्म लोगों के लिए in this maneuver the team leader will be given a change in the direction shortly. There you go, the lead reaction now turning left and finishing marvelous moves.
These are the scenes from the Lasit Ghat in Guwahati right now. That was a drop. They are performing a drop. Leaving this jet propelled shape on the Guwahati sky. There are a total of 9 Hawk Mk132 jets which are performing various daredevil maneuvers in the Guwahati sky today. They are called Surya Kiran Aerobatics team, or SKAT, SKAT. They are also called the IAF ambassadors, and the Guwahatians who have found their way here this morning can't propelled single engine aircraft which are called Hawk Mk132s. They were manufactured by HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. This is another moment in which Guwahatians are waiting and gasping for breath, and they just can't wait for the Hawk Mk132s, 9 of them, who are being flown in the Guwahati sky right now, to come back to the sky so that they can catch a glimpse of the daring and daredevil maneuvers that these aircrafts are performing. They're performing aerobatics, and it is only one of the 9 aerobatics teams in the whole world. The Surya Kiran Aerobatics team. We will get you to talk to a few people, but the aircrafts can arrive at any moment. The 9 aircrafts performing aerial maneuvers in the Guwahati sky can turn up at any moment. There they are. Look at that. Just look at that. They're splitting and performing. He just flipped in the sky. That was daring. Sir, for price hai? G plus, Guwahati plus. For price hai? কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে? কেতিয়া আহি পালে? অলপ আগত আহিছে। আচ্ছা, কি চাব আহিছে? কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে? ভাল লাগিছে দেখি। কেনেকৈ গম পাইছিলে এইটো হৈ আছে বুলি? পেপাৰত পাইছে। তে আপুনি কি এয়াৰক্ৰাফ্ট ভাল পায় নেকি? এয়াৰফ'ৰ্চ, এয়াৰক্ৰাফ্ট, জেট ভাল লাগে নেকি? অকলে আহিছে? Thank you, sir. See the number of people that are sitting here, and there are a lot more people outside this tent. We'll try to get you a few voices.
That we have today. Thank you for making this show possible. This is the Surya Kiran team signing off
Someone
with the promise
had
to see you again very soon.
Someone
Jai
fainted.
Hind.
And she's being given water. It's very sunny in here and it's very hot, so one of the NCC cadets just fainted and she's been given water. It is very sunny in here.